Hey guys, it's Mel here with Tech from My Perspective, and today I have decided that I shall do a proper review of the Logitech G510 keyboard, as last time I unboxed it and it was rather a first look than an unboxing. But yeah, let's get into the video. The Logitech G510 keyboard is probably the baseline, or one of the baselines of the Logitech gaming series keyboards, but even then it is still a solid keyboard and will do well for gaming, as it does have 18 programmable keys with the option of having 3 different illumination profiles. You can change it to any color you want. So for example, I have mine on green, and then I'll just press a button, it'll change to blue, and then press a button, it'll change to white. And yeah, my room's not, I tried to make my room really dark, but it hasn't become that dark, so it only doesn't look as great as it can. You have noticed that on the camera, or on the video, you will see probably just white. But if I just move my tripod, and I'm pretty sure that's over, focus it, you might be able to see that it has a clock, and then if I press a button, then it will change to show my CPU usage and RAM, then a stopwatch, and then a news feed, and then default profile, and it goes back to clock. Just put that back. And right, next bits I am going to show are, well, the feeling of this keyboard feels pretty nice. Everything's in precision, so if you were gaming, unfortunately I don't have any games, so I can't show you a gaming test with this keyboard. The WASD keys are close with the shift key if you need to run, being close to. And this keyboard also does have a volume control, so if you slide it, and if I just move my tripod up a little, right, here we go. If I slide it here, you can see then the volume changes. Just move this back down, move this keyboard, and yeah, now you can see a bit, seeing it's in green, there's a clock. You can change these colors. Logitech have software which allows you to change the colors and many other things. The keyboard feels really nice and just isn't heavy. It's a bit bulky, but probably less bulky than the SteelSeries Apex keyboard, and is definitely lighter. Some people may say it's a bit ugly, but I actually don't think it's ugly. If you type, that's pretty loud, and that is amazing for gaming, because you do want loud keys, so you know what keys you're pressing, sort of. Because I don't know, this G12 key, which does something on Chrome apparently, sounds different to the H key, and each key sounds different. But I will show you this in the Logitech software. So let's just move the tripod up again. And here you have my LG monitor. I'll also review this once I get to know the model and stuff. You can't even see the LG logo. So let's just go on to this. Also, I do not have, like I said, I don't have any games because this is standard i3 first generation computer. I'm planning to get a gaming PC soon. Here I already have it on the illumination bit, and here you can just change each profile. So for example, here you can click between them, it will change the color. So you can either use the buttons on the keyboard to change the color of the backlit keyboard, or you can use the software And then once you're in here, there are colours here, or you can just adjust it to your preference and the brightness. So I can turn it down, and now the keys are black, meaning there is no illumination. Now it's really light, and now just go up and it's really bright. So you can just have 3 profiles rather than having to change it every single time. Just press a button and you'll have 3 options. This keyboard is just amazing, to be honest. Also, I forgot to mention that it has a headphone jack here and a microphone jack here, so you don't have to like go to down to your PC. For example, I have my PC down, so I won't have to I won't have to just put it in the PC. I can just have like loose wires rather than a stretched wire with my headset, although I do use the SteelSeries Siberia now, which is a USB headset. The next thing on the software I can show you is, let's just go into home. It just has the keyboard in general. Look, I think I click this, and this is in the panel menu, so you can customize the LCD display. You can choose what applets it has, so you can see that there's an LCD clock, the Logitech countdown timer, a pop 3 monitor, so I think it can actually show your mail. Don't know how to set that up. Oh, you can just click configure and choose the mail, which I will actually do. RSS reader, so that's a news feed. Media display, apparently you can watch videos, I think. Performance monitor, so that's the RAM and CPU usage, and the profile selector. Next bit you can do is customize the hotkeys, but seeing there are 18 of them, but seeing I do not have any games, I cannot customize it. But what you can do is in this software you can set the hotkeys, or programmable keys rather, to be game specific. So for example, you can have G1 in Call of Duty to throw a Semtex, for example, and in let's say GTA 4 you can have it to crouch, but the same key. You can have it game specific, which is just simply amazing. And the next thing I want to show you is the default profile part, so you can transfer your profiles from one PC to another, so you don't have to configure it every time you use it on a different PC. This is just simply amazing, and Logitech have done a really good job. I myself am a Logitech fan, and I have Logitech speakers. Final bit of the video, to sum this up, it's a good keyboard. I would give it a 8 out of 10 because of how good it looks for a gamer, and I am myself a pretty dedicated gamer. And yeah, that is it, guys. Before I go, I wanted to say that this keyboard may be up for a giveaway. It's either this or the SteelSeries Apex keyboard. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a rating, comment below, and subscribe by becoming a buddy. This has been Mel here with Tech from Another Perspective, reviewing the Logitech G510 gaming keyboard, and I am out. Peace.